Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will show you how to create this makeup look. First of all, I'm starting with Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist and I'm just spraying it all over my face. Then I'm taking NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in a shade Vanilla and with a Micro Mini Beauty Blender I'm just applying it all over my lids. Then I'm taking Too Faced Born This Way setting powder and I'm setting that concealer. And today I'm using Morphe's Jaclyn Hill Palette and I'm starting with the shade Silk Cream and I'm just applying it to my crease with a windshield wiper motion as my first transition shade. Then I'm taking shade Putter, which is more darker shade, and I'm applying it mostly to my outer corner but slightly dragging it to my crease as well. Then I'm taking shade Mocha, which is more darker shade, and I'm concentrating it to my outer corner and again dragging a little bit to my crease just to smoke it out. And I'm using for this brush M506. Then I'm taking the first blending brush by Morphe and I'm just blending out all eyeshadows together. Then I'm taking shade Obsessed and after I apply it to my brush, I spraying it with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus and I'm using today Mikasa 𝓟𝓻𝓸𝓭𝓾 brush just to apply it all over my lid. I'm not cutting my crease, I'm just applying it as a soft cut crease. I really like this technique. I think it is way more easier than cut crease and I do recommend to start with this technique if you are a beginner. And then I'm taking shade Mocha and I'm just applying it to my outer corner and after that I'm using the same blending brush that we used at the beginning and blending out the edges. And then I'm taking shade 24/7 and I'm just applying it in between the shade Mocha and also shade Obsessed that I applied all over my lid. So this will create a gradient in between those two shades and really smoke out that outer corner. For my mascara today, I'm using L'Oreal Luminous Lash Paradise Mascara and I'm just applying several coats to my upper lashes. And for my falsies, I'm using Huda Beauty Farah lashes and this is my favorite lashes from Huda Beauty. For my face, I'm starting with a Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer and I'm using shade Nude Glow. I really like this moisturizer because it gives you a lot of hydration, but it also gives you a beautiful glow to your skin. And I'm just applying it with my fingers all over my face. For my primers today, I'm using Farah Unicorn Essence and I really like this one because it makes my skin a little bit of tacky and it's a great primer to use before your foundation. Again, I'm just applying it with my fingers. And for my under eyes, I'm using SMASHBOX Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer and I'm just applying it and slightly dabbing it with my fingers. For my foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Hydrate and Smooth Foundation in a shade 220 Natural Beige and I'm applying it with the Morphe M439 brush. And I really like to apply my foundation with this brush because you can really apply it and buff it out and create that beautiful smooth application. I usually start with one layer and then I add more if I see that I needed more coverage. So I'm really buffing out this foundation and making sure that it blends out perfectly, and also don't forget to apply foundation to your ears and also to your neck. After that, I'm taking Beauty Blender Original and I'm just blending out my foundation. So this will really blend out the foundation, make it look more natural and also take out the extra excess of foundation that you may have, especially if you have any fine lines or wrinkles. And for my concealer, I'm using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes, kinda in triangles, so this will really brighten up that under eye area. And I'm also applying it to my cupid bow, to my chin, to the center of my nose and also to my forehead. And after, I'm just blending it out with my Beauty Blender. And I really like to use this concealer, it gives you beautiful coverage, it covers dark circles and it also blends out smoothly and gives you a beautiful finish. To set it up, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way setting powder and I'm just using Morphe M438 brush. And for my lower lash line, I'm using Mikasa E310 brush and I'm starting with the shade Putter that I'm just applying it under my lower lash line. Then I'm taking shade Mocha and I'm applying it mostly from my outer corner to the center of my eye. And to smoke it out, I'm using shade 24/7 and I'm just applying it to my outer corner. So you can see comparison how it looks like when you have applied eyeshadow under your eye and you didn't. So it makes your eyes look bigger. And to finish my face, I'm starting with Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit in light to medium, and I'm using Sigma Precision Angled 84 brush. I'm applying it under my cheekbones, my jawline, to my forehead, and also I'm contouring my nose. I really like to use this contour kit because it blends out so beautifully, and it also has light shades and also dark shade, so it's perfect for highlighting and contouring your face. And then I'm taking my Beauty Blender Original and I'm just blending out all of the edges, and as you can see when I'm working on my jawline, I'm blending it downwards, so I'm blending it to my neck. When I'm blending my forehead, I'm blending it to my hairline, and also when I'm blending my nose, I'm just making sure that I don't have any harsh line, and when I'm blending my cheekbones, I'm blending it upwards, don't blend it downwards, so this way you will end up with beautiful cheekbones. So now I'm taking Morphe E41 brush and also Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, and I'm just setting up my face. Now I'm taking Morphe R2 brush and Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer in Medium Deep, and I'm just applying it to all the areas that we applied our cream contour. So this will give warmth to my face. And I really like to use this brush because it blends out everything smoothly and gives you a wash of a color rather than sharp lines. For my blush, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit in Radiant, and I'm mixing two shades, and I'm using Morphe G35 brush to apply it. So I'm kind of applying it to my cheekbones and also elongating it and blending it out to my hairline. So now I'm taking Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, and with my Beauty Blender, I'm just applying it underneath my cheekbones to really sharpen up the edge of my contour and clean it up, and I'm just baking it for a couple of minutes. So this way you will clean everything under your cheekbones and make your contour stand out more. And then I'm taking Morphe E41 brush and I'm dusting away all of the powder that I applied. For my highlighter today, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Amazing Highlighter. I really love this highlighter and it gives you so gorgeous glow. First of all, I'm applying it as a dry application, and then I'm also adding a little bit of a Fix Plus to my brush to get a beautiful glow. You can see how amazing this highlighter is. It gives you gorgeous glow and it has hybrid gel powder formula, so it doesn't look powdery on the skin. And I'm also applying it with a pencil brush to my outer corners and with my finger to the bridge of my nose, to my cupid bow, and just slightly touching the tip of my nose. And for my lips today, I'm using MAC Cosmetics products. So first of all, I'm lining my lips with lip pencil in the shade Subculture. It has creamy texture, and this shade is perfect for everyday or bridal looks. Then I'm applying Lip Tensity lipstick in the shade Driftwood, which is a soft lilac beige. I love this formula as it has intense pigment and it also hydrates my lips while giving me a satin finish. So this is my finished look and I really hope that you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow my social media to stay in touch, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!